So to do a quick unboxing, this is what the Media Mod is. It's a little plastic casing that surrounds your GoPro, plugging into the USB-C of it, giving you a better directional microphone for the front or rear. But it also gives you some extra options like USB-C, HDMI out, and external microphone input. It also has a couple of cold shoe mounts for things like lights, mics, and other stuff. It's built really well. It feels very solid. It feels like it's quality. Another thing I like is when you put this thing on, it immediately detects it and works. It also shows you an audio meter to show the levels on screen. With the HDMI out option, you can plug it into a TV or an HDMI screen, and you could show off your footage, to your family. You can also plug it into an HDMI capture card, and you can use this as a webcam. For example, this is a side-by-side of HDMI and USB-C. Except the HDMI, I can have a lot more control, and I can use the microphone on it. I also do like the cold shoe mounts. I think that's really good that they added that in there. So then I don't have to get their light mod. I could just, put my own on there. All right, so now I'm outside. It's a little bit of a windy day. This is the actual onboard microphones from GoPro. So it's built in to the actual GoPro unit. So yeah, you can kind of hear what it sounds like just through this. Now let's add that Media Mod on there. So now you can hear what it sounds like with the Media Mod front-facing microphone. I unfortunately don't have 10 different GoPros so that I can try them at the exact same time, but you can kind of get the idea. It's a little bit windy. Yeah.